Mercedes-Benz is all set to launch the AMG GLC 43 Coupe in the Indian market. The new Mercedes-AMG GLC 43 Coupe will go on sale in the country on the 3rd of November 2020, making it the first made-in-India AMG model. The performance-oriented SUV will be imported via the CKD completely knocked-down route and assembled at the brand's Chakan plant, Pune. This will further allow Mercedes-Benz to price the SUV aggressively with an expected price tag in the range of Rs 80 lakh ex-showroom India. The Mercedes-AMG GLC 43 Coupe will feature the brand's signature Panamericana grille at the front with vertical slats, LED headlamps with integrated LED DRLs, 19-inch AMG alloy wheels with 20 and 21-inch alloys offered as optional, quad-pipe exhausts, LED tail lights, side skirts and a rear diffuser among other features. The interiors will also feature a number of AMG-specific equipment. Some of the features on the AMG GLC 43 Coupe include the AMG steering wheel with aluminum finished paddle shifters, AMG scuff plates, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, all-black premium leather upholstery, piano black finish on the center console, a 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with the brand's latest MBUX connected technology and a host of other features and creature comforts. The Mercedes-AMG GLC 43 Coupe is expected to be powered by a 3-litre turbo petrol V6 engine producing 390 brake horsepower and 520 Nm of peak torque. The engine is mated to a standard 9-speed automatic transmission unit which sends power to all 4 wheels via the brand's 4MATIC system. Mercedes-AMG also claims that the GLC 43 Coupe is capable of sprinting from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 4.9 seconds. The top speed of the SUV is said to be electronically limited to 250 km per hour. The Mercedes-AMG GLC 43 Coupe will be the first model from the brand's performance lineup to be assembled in the Indian market. Once launched, the new AMG GLC 43 Coupe will take on rivals such as the Porsche Macan S. With the AMG model being assembled in the country, it will be interesting to see how much of a difference it will make in terms of pricing. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.